In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Docusign in just 5 minutes. Docusign is an incredibly useful tool for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making everyday work processes more efficient, secure, and streamlined. So if you're looking to get started with Docusign, you're in the right place. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Docusign website. You'll want to ensure you're on the correct page, so simply type Docusign in your search engine or use the URL directly if you have it. This will bring you to the home page where you can get an overview of the services and products they offer. Once you're on the website, look towards the top of the page for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on this button and you'll be directed to the login page. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login details, but if you're new to Docusign, take a moment to sign up for an account. This process is straightforward, just follow the on-screen instructions to provide the necessary information. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage. This is the central hub for managing your electronic signatures and agreements. From here, you'll have access to all of Docusign's services, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time. Now let's move on to purchasing a plan. On the homepage, you should see an option labeled View Plans. Click on this to explore the different subscription packages Docusign offers. They have a range of options designed to meet various needs, whether you're an individual looking to sign the occasional document or a large business requiring extensive agreement management. Take your time to review the different plans, consider things like the number of users, the number of documents you plan to process, and any specific features you may require. If you're unsure which plan to choose, Docusign often provides guidance or comparisons to help you make an informed decision. Once you've selected the plan that best suits your requirements, proceed with purchasing it by following the purchase instructions on the site. Docusign will typically guide you through the process smoothly, ensuring that you understand each step involved in completing your purchase. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll have successfully navigated through buying Docusign, opening up a world of streamlined digital workflow solutions. Whether you're signing contracts, forms, or agreements, Docusign provides a secure and efficient way to handle all your electronic document needs. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Docusign.